taste anything different about this pie? My mom's made this one before, right? Bite into one of the pecans. Connie?
Yeah.
Doesn't it like explode with buttery goodness? Mom put extra butter into this pie. By accident.
Wow.
And I said, for all the years I've had this pie, first time where I didn't even know nuts could absorb butter.
We love butter, so.
Oh boy!
I mean, I could smell it. I could smell it when it was baking.
Oh my God, that's so
what
funny.
did I do? And then I verified what I've done. And I was able to actually pour quite a bit of it off. It seeped out.